Hey traders, I just want to do a crypto update to close out the week. Um, Kind of a pretty down week overall, I think, for the majors. I consider the majors, maybe you think of it as a blue chip, the biggest companies, the biggest cryptocurrencies by market cap. Um, um, just kind of, to me, just a lot of red overall this week, and that we were buying some stuff here later in the week because we've gotten to levels where Um, I think it makes a lot of sense. We're back to some of our Pi cycle stuff. I did want to just highlight Dubai coin was kind of interesting one that picked up that's new on my radar. And just going to show you the chart. This is at a wild, so this is 7 days. It's up 680%. Here's the chart. This is obviously priced against Bitcoin. Um, but in dollars, this has got as high as almost 23 bucks. All right, and it's back down like at 6 or 7. So this is for whatever reason, this currency seems to have awakened, and there may be more to come here. There may be more to come. So when I look at it on a daily level, obviously a big talking tail. But this little wedge here, the swing line setup, is down at 69. We move to the 4 hour. Pretty typical crypto move, just vertical and then comes crashing back to earth. So I want to take a look at this next week and kind of see what exchanges feel comfortable with, what exchanges we feel comfortable with as far as getting in on the long side. But there's a lot of vol here. So maybe if we slide back in here towards the 200 or it bounce down at this 1170 area, might make a lot of sense. So anyway, guys, that's kind of a newer one on the radar. If we look at the majors, just go to I've only been buying Bitcoin to exchange it to buy other pairs, but we're back at Pi again here. And as this has been rising, there's a chance that we'll plug into Pi and then bounce again. I actually kind of think we might need to retest 2300. Anything in the low 2000s is where we want to be buyers. Not a bad place to nibble today, but maybe this will come down a little bit lower. Let's check out the daily cycle. Daily cycle is kind of in the midpoint of the range, so it's turned up. Maybe this will turn back down. But anyway, still long-term bullish, so I'll welcome any pullback back here again in the low 2000s. The last big chunk we bought was down here around 2100. And then we did buy some, I don't want to give you guys all our trades, but still like Ethereum, nibbled again this week. Can it go lower and retest these lows down here? Absolutely. But we want to be buyers. Again, it's long-term bullish. That's how we're playing it. And sorry, that's versus the euro. So we held Pi. You're kind of drifting through it now. This is still largely just basing. Pretty typical consolidation. What matters here is this right in front of 200. If you want to be level specific, 207. If you break that, then we can fall to these lows here, 119 to 200. So we might play some defense there, meaning take off some of our risk. We don't have a huge position on right now, so we'll see. I want to buy it down here, first time down, and then see if we hold or not. If we break, then maybe you take some risk off. You know, if we had actual option contracts on something like this, you would be buying puts. That's how we would trade the equities or any other kind of market. That's how we would play defense. But in this case, we probably just take some risk off. But until then, you want to be a buyer into that level. So maybe we'll get that into next week. And then Litecoin, we had a good move up. We took some profit. And now you're getting just a natural pullback. Probably should have rang the register on some more. I just didn't want to give up too much of our position up here at 55. But this continues to make higher lows, so we want to be buyers down here in 40 to 35 zone. Anyway, guys, have a great weekend. Good stuff this week. I'll do another webinar for those that are interested in the program, our crypto coin team, next week. I think we'll send that out, so probably an email out this weekend. I think we're shooting for Wednesday, so you guys can stay tuned on that. But anyways, have a great weekend. Good trading this week, and I'll talk to you soon.